Hi, Kim.
Now, let's join Kim Pao and their activities in Dubai. As soon as they get off the plane at the airport, many fans greeted them. Kim Pao went jogging in the park as part of their morning routine in Dubai.
Hindi, actually, hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Siya naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin.
Yes, a constant effort on our part and maybe a willingness to collaborate with each other. Because yung kausap si Kim, parang may performance tayo, parang paano natin papakita sa audience para abangan nila yung game namin pag-iba sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work because, I mean, not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim and she's very willing and open to collaborate.
The question po is, what is next after What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? And will it ever be considered for Kim Pao to do a movie project here or will be shot here in Dubai? Kung possible lang.
Looking forward to that.
Abangan.
Okay, so pwede na tayo magpapasok ng next 10 natin. Ayan, yung next 10 po.
And the most awaited, their concert.
Kahit mahal kita, wala akong magagawa. Tanggap ko ang aking sinta, pangarap na kita. O kahit mo, meron akong problema, huwag mo sabihin na naman. In love ako sa isang kolehiya lang. Di ko maintindihan. Sabihin sa chorus mamaya, anong saya yung naging magkaibigan. Napuno ako ng pag-asa. Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin. At sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Di ba nila alam? Tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
Thank you.
Kita so
Yun yung lyrics!
Ayun yung lyrics.
Ito naman yun yung lyrics. Share natin yung trivia natin.
anong trivia?
Kasi 9 years ago, nandito din kami ni Paolo sa Dubai. Di ba? Tapos, hindi kami masyadong friends.
Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa iyo? Pag nakikita ka na, bumabagal ang mundo. Pag ngumingiti ka, para bang may iba. Pag tumitingin sa'kin, mapupungay mo mga mata. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Ha?
Halika